Good morning, everyone. Thank you for joining us for another ITWeb webinar, once again co-sponsored by Freshworks. If you've been to these presentations before with Freshworks, you know what you're in store for. It's going to be a very fascinating unpacking of the topic of generally how do we interact with our user bases, how do we interact with our customers, and how do we use platform technologies to facilitate that. We're going to work on that today and see how do you improve self-service, specifically IT self-service in an organization, and not just as a general concept, but the new type of IT self-service versus what traditional type of IT self-service used to be, what we're currently popularly calling shifting left, shifting more towards the user, more towards the customer. So without further ado, Rohit, thank you for joining us today, and over to you.
So what you see here is in a recent survey that we conducted with the Harvard Business Review Analytics Services to understand the significance of employee experience and engagement, we saw 92% of the respondents citing employee engagement being critical to their organization's success. So clearly, what we see here, you can see the impact across three broad pillars: the revenue, attrition, and culture. While a decrease in productivity can have a direct impact on revenue, it also can cause burnouts and lead to attrition. We need to understand we have a lot of millennial employees with us. We have, employees across different age segments. And something which is easy to use for some employees may not be that for the other employees. It becomes important to have a very intuitive, easy to use solution, and a poor brand image can damage a company in a long run, right? So that's very difficult to build over a period of time.
Could this be kind of a foundation to establish a broader self-service capability across different departments in the business?
Well, if you look at it today, IT is required to do more with less, right? Given the situation that we are in. And the best part about this platform or technology is the ability for you to scale across other departments and functions as well. And this is something which also came out from the survey. Apart from the IT team, where are organizations looking to use the self-service functionality?
Start small. Don't let anybody bully you into a big bang approach. Start small, get your mind around this, and then grow it. When we say organic, this is literally what it's about. So please reach out to Freshworks, find out more about the solution. Britt, thank you very much for your time today. Thank you to the audience today. My name is James Francis. I was your host for today's webinar from ITWeb and Freshworks. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you see you at the next one, and please have a great day further. Goodbye.
Thank you. Thank you, everyone. Bye-bye.